Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Express. Today, let's get started with adding payments to your Base44. So, if you're building an application in Base44, you already know how insane it is to generate an entire bacon just by typing a sentence, right? But what happens when you're ready to actually make money from it? So, in the past, setting up payment processes, webhooks are securely states taking days of manual coding. Nowadays, it's going to be really easily just to speak it into an existence. So, I'm going to be showing you how to get integrated yield payments really fast. First of all, I'm going to prompt the AI payment. First, I'm going to open all my applications. I select my application. So instead of digging through menu settings, we're going to be going to let the AI do the heavy lifting. So when you open your chat section here, on the side, you wanted to give a highly descriptive prompt. So tell the AI exactly what you wanted to sell, whether it's a one-time digital product, physical merchandise, or a premium membership tier. So let's say, for example, I wanted to enable online payment and add an unlock premium paywall button to this dashboard view. When I send this specific prompt, guess what's going to happen? Base44 AI handles the complex architecture behind the scenes. It setups the back-end server functions, binds the checkout triggers to specific buttons, and handles users' application status change automatically. Now, sometimes the configuring the Base44 payments and Stripe. Once the AI finishes, usually what it actually does is to build the components and look at the top navigation hub into the application dashboard. When you navigate to the payment manager, for example, you might be seeing something like this. Stripe payments require a builder plan and a backend function to Stripe checkout sessions, both with need an actual subscription upgrade. However, I can still build the full paywall OI and wire, so it is ready to the moment you enable the Stripe. So let me build the premium paywall model into the unlock premium button now. So it won't be, let's say, unlocked before I focus into let's say a premium plan. So you have two core pathways here depending on the preferred processor. You can connect a native Stripe account or click connecting to the build Base44 payments powered by Wix. This lets you live application accept standard credit just such as the Apple Pay, the Google Pay, the PayPal right out of the actual box. So you wanted to fill out the standard merchant registration layout. Just drop into your business structure and bank account details so the system knows exactly when to route your automatic payment. And you can see that here, for example, a glowing premium button now sits into the Discover header. Clicking it opens beautiful payment listing at all perks at $9.99 per month price. The Stripe checkout stub is ready. Once you're upgraded and added the function with your Stripe prices, just replace the handle checkout placeholder to go live. So, which I think is going to be really great to get that directly into my, in this case, my website. So now, you don't want to skip this step because before you send your application link to real users, you must verify that your database actually updates with someone completes a purchase. So never launch a payment system without sandbox test. So you want to make sure that you make the sandbox test before you send this directly into live preview. So you wanted to go for publish the application, and in my case it will be asking me, of course, to make the upgrade to get started and use that element directly inside my Base44. So just verify the live webhook to double check you're actually good to go. Now that your backend logic is locked down and your sandbox works flawlessly, switch to the provider toggle to live and click the publish application to get started. So you have the link down below in the description to get started with payment and integration documentations, along with a couple of high converting text prompts in the description down below. If you have any question, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, for to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and well, hopefully with all this been said, we can all see you next time.